Top 5 Best Video Editing Software 2024. OpenShot is a versatile, open-source video editing software designed to make video editing accessible and efficient for users of all skill levels. Launched in 2008 by Jonathan Thomas, OpenShot offers a comprehensive set of features that cater to both beginners and experienced video editors. Its user-friendly interface provides an intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to add and arrange video clips, audio tracks, and images. OpenShot supports a wide range of video, audio, and image formats, ensuring compatibility with most media types. Key features include trimming and slicing, keyframe animations, and real-time previews. The software also offers a variety of transition effects, titles, and 3D animations, allowing users to enhance their videos creatively. Advanced tools like time mapping, speed changes, and audio mixing provide additional control over the editing process. One of OpenShot's significant advantages is its cross-platform support, available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring a consistent experience across different operating systems. The software is continually updated and improved by a dedicated community of developers, providing new features and ensuring stability. Overall, OpenShot is an excellent choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos without the need for expensive, proprietary software. Its blend of simplicity and powerful features makes it suitable for creating everything from simple home videos to complex projects. VSDC Video Editor is a powerful, free, non-linear video editing software designed for both beginners and advanced users. Developed by Flash Integro LLC, VSDC offers a wide range of features that enable users to create professional quality videos with ease. Its intuitive interface allows for seamless video editing, supporting a variety of video and audio formats. The key features of VSDC include advanced editing tools like blending modes, masks, and chroma key for green screen effects. It also provides a vast array of visual and audio effects, such as color correction, filters, transitions, and audio normalization. VSDC's non-linear editing system allows users to place objects in any position on the timeline and have any size, making complex edits more manageable. Additionally, VSDC includes tools for video stabilization, 3D diagram creation, and a built-in screen recorder. Its export capabilities support numerous formats and devices, ensuring compatibility with various platforms. Overall, VSDC Video Editor is a versatile and comprehensive tool, ideal for users looking to produce high-quality videos for personal, educational, or professional use without the need for expensive software. Kdenlive, short for KDE Non-Linear Video Editor, is a powerful open-source video editing software that caters to both amateur and professional video editors. Developed by the KDE community, it offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to facilitate the creation of high-quality video projects. Kdenlive supports a wide range of video and audio formats, thanks to its use of the FMPEG libraries. Its user-friendly interface provides an intuitive timeline and a variety of tools for cutting, splicing, and arranging clips. Advanced features include multi-track editing, keyframe effects, and transitions, along with a robust set of audio editing tools. Kdenlive's customizable interface allows users to tailor their workspace to suit their workflow, and its proxy editing feature ensures smooth performance even when working with high-resolution footage. The software also supports rendering in numerous formats and resolutions, making it versatile for different output needs. Regular updates from an active developer community ensure that Kdenlive remains reliable and up to date with the latest technological advancements. Overall, Kdenlive is an excellent choice for anyone looking to leverage powerful video editing capabilities without the cost associated with proprietary software, suitable for a wide range of video production tasks. Blender Bonus Software. Blender is a powerful, open-source 3D creation suite that includes video editing tools, enabling users to create and edit animations, models, and high-quality videos. iMovie is a user-friendly video editing software for Mac. Lightworks is a professional-grade video editing software renowned for its powerful editing tools and intuitive interface. Used in Hollywood productions, it offers real-time effects, multicam editing, and advanced trimming features. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, Lightworks supports various formats for seamless video production. Shotcut is a versatile, open-source video editing software designed for both beginners and experienced editors. Launched in 2011 by Melty-Tech, Shotcut offers a wide range of features, including support for numerous video, audio, and image formats through FFmpeg. Its user-friendly interface provides drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to import and arrange media clips. The key features of Shotcut include multi-track timeline editing, advanced audio filters, and a variety of video effects and transitions. It also supports native timeline editing with resolutions up to 4K. Shotcut's powerful keyframe animation allows for precise control over effects and transitions, enhancing the creative process. Available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, Shotcut ensures a consistent experience across different platforms. With frequent updates from a dedicated community, Shotcut continues to evolve, making it a reliable choice for creating high-quality video projects without the need for costly software. DaVinci Resolve is a comprehensive, professional-grade video editing software developed by Blackmagic Design. Known for its robust suite of tools, DaVinci Resolve integrates video editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production into a single software application, making it a one-stop solution for filmmakers and video professionals. The software features a non-linear editing NLE system that supports multi-track timelines, offering precise control over every aspect of the editing process. Its color correction capabilities are world-renowned, providing advanced color grading tools that have been used in Hollywood films. The Fusion module within DaVinci Resolve enables users to create sophisticated visual effects and motion graphics, while the Fairlight Audio Post-Production Suite offers high-end audio editing and mixing tools. DaVinci Resolve supports a wide range of video formats and resolutions, including 8K, ensuring compatibility with various types of footage. The software also features collaborative tools that allow multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, enhancing efficiency in professional environments. Available in both a free version and a more advanced studio version, DaVinci Resolve caters to a broad spectrum of users, from independent creators to large production studios. Its extensive features, combined with a user-friendly interface, make DaVinci Resolve a powerful and versatile tool for creating high-quality video content.